Hi, Danny and Brian. I'm here to give you a little bit of instruction on how to find your courses inside D2L. There are two sections on the home page when you first log into D2L where you can find the course shells you're assigned to for fall 2019. The first area is here, the search waffle. I think it looks like a waffle, or here under the My Courses. So as long as you're on fall 2019, you should see as you scroll down all the course shells you're assigned to. This is the only course, the actual live course that I'm teaching. So that's why I only see one. But Danny and Brian, you should see, I think you both have, Danny, you have 8 sections that you will see because you and Brian share, I think, 6 courses. You were listed as co-teaching according to Buck. And then Brian, you will see 6 courses. And then Danny, so the 6 that you share with Brian will be there in addition to 2 that you're assigned to by yourself. So you should see them all there. And if you don't, because there might be some space limitations here where it only shows, 4 to 5. I don't really know how many it will show. But you can search for all the courses at the waffle. That's the second area. And you can do a course search here by typing in the specific course you want to go into, but I find it easier to pin. So you notice that these courses at the top are pinned. Here's the professional development course that I maintain for the concurrent enrollment instructors, and then I'm teaching a fall course this semester too. Notice that I have a spring class pinned. So what I would recommend is if you have some stuff at the top already pinned, and there's some stuff I can get rid of here. You notice that I've unpinned that one, and now I'm going to unpin the spring 2019 one. So the change won't happen immediately. It shows as unpinned, but I kind of have to go out and back in. And then I want to show you one other thing. Let's pretend, and I'm going to unpin this one eventually, but let's pretend for a minute that I want this one pinned at the top. Because notice the ones that I've pinned are in blue, and the ones that are unpinned, when I move down the list, it turns blue, but these are unpinned because the pin isn't filled in. So let's pretend for a minute that I wanted to pin this BCC Big Data Pilot, okay? So if I click that, it will move to the top, but it will take a second. It has to refresh. So I'm going to go out, and I'm just going to click around to, I don't know, let me just go somewhere else. I'm just trying to move to another area inside D2L. Okay, that just took me to a link external to D2L. So I'm going to go back in and see if those ones that I've pinned have been moved up and ones that I've unpinned, and they have not. I think I might log out and log back in then. And this is just a little thing that it's making me do to update. So I'm going to log back in to D2L, and I bet my unpinned stuff will be moved down, and my pinned classes will be moved up. And I like to pin the classes up there because then I don't have to scroll through all the classes, D2L course shells that I have access to. Awesome. So look, check it out. The one that I moved are gone. And remember, I pinned BCC Big Data Pilot up there. So what you can do then, Danny and Brian, is search through. And I find it easiest to look for my courses by looking for the semester I'm teaching. So there's fall 16, spring 2019. And I've already moved my one fall 19 up. So Danny and Brian, just scroll through all your stuff and look for your fall 2019 courses and pin them. Click the little pen. And then come back to the top and unpin any of the old courses that you aren't going to use anymore, any of the courses that list semesters different from fall 2019. Log out, log back in, and you should have all those courses at the top, the ones that you'll be accessing most frequently, ready to go for the fall. I hope that's been helpful, and if you have any questions, need me to come by CDC to help you out with pinning and unpinning, please let me know. Have a great weekend.